Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best 3D printers in 2026. If you want to bring your ideas to life with high precision printing, fast speeds, and amazing detail, these top 3D printers are perfect for beginners and professionals. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Original Prusa Core. The original Prusa Core 1 is a robust 3D printing machine designed with durability in mind, utilizing premium materials for exceptional reliability and minimal maintenance. With dimensions of 16.3-inch dx 17.5, wx 21.8 h and a weight of 25.8 kilograms, this printer features an enclosed chamber capable of reaching temperatures up to 55 degrees Celsius, allowing for high-quality printing with various materials, including PLA, PETG, ASA, PC, and nylon. Its Core XY design ensures high-speed printing and superior print quality within a generous print area of 250 by 220 by 270 mm. The printer boasts an all-steel exoskeleton frame for enhanced stability and robustness, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, it comes with intuitive software for easy setup and includes a free 1 kg spool of Prusament PLA in Prusa Galaxy Black, along with lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service from Prusa Research. Number 2. Reflex RS Turbo Resin 3D Printer. The Reflex RS Turbo Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance resin printer engineered for creators, hobbyists, and professionals who demand exceptional precision and speed. It features an advanced amber LCD screen with an impressive 5:66:1 high-contrast ratio, delivering sharper details, cleaner edges, and more accurate prints. With plus or minus 2 micrometers printing precision and a rapid 4.5 second per layer curing speed, it produces highly detailed models while significantly reducing print times. The robust C5 industrial-grade Z-axis ensures outstanding stability and minimizes layer shifting for consistently smooth results, while the automatic leveling system simplifies setup and improves first-layer success. Combining cutting-edge technology, reliable performance, and user-friendly operation, the Reflex RS Turbo is an excellent choice for producing intricate miniatures, prototypes, dental models, jewelry, and other high-detail resin prints. Number 3. Creality K2 Combo A 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Combo A 3D Printer is a powerful, feature-rich FDM printer designed for makers, hobbyists, and professionals seeking fast, high-quality, and multicolor printing. Equipped with the Creality Filament System, CFS, it supports seamless multicolor printing, allowing you to create vibrant, detailed models with minimal effort. Its next-generation direct drive extruder delivers reliable filament feeding and excellent performance with a wide range of materials, while the smart AI camera enables real-time print monitoring and helps detect printing issues. With automatic bed leveling and 95% pre-assembled construction, setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Capable of printing at speeds of up to 600 mm per second, the K2 Combo significantly reduces production time without sacrificing print quality. The spacious 260 by 260 by 260 mm build volume provides ample room for larger projects or multiple parts in a single print, making it an excellent choice for prototypes, functional components, creative designs, and everyday 3D printing tasks. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra X Combo High-Speed 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra X Combo is a high-speed, feature-packed 3D printer designed for makers, enthusiasts, and professionals who want advanced multicolor printing with exceptional efficiency. It supports native 7-color printing, expandable to up to 19 colors with compatible accessories, enabling the creation of vibrant, highly detailed models. Paired with the ACE Pro Gen 2 system, it reduces filament waste with 81% less purge, making multicolor printing faster and more economical. Capable of print speeds up to 600 mm per second, the Kobra X Combo delivers rapid production without compromising quality. Its AI monitoring system helps detect potential print issues in real time, while automatic calibration features ensure reliable and consistent results. Combining intelligent automation, high-speed performance, and next-generation multicolor capabilities, the Anycubic Kobra X Combo is an excellent choice for producing prototypes, functional parts, artistic models, and professional-grade 3D prints with outstanding precision and efficiency. Number 5. Original Prusa Core 1 Plus Full DIY 3D Printer. The original Prusa Core 1 Plus Full DIY 3D Printer Kit is a premium, fully enclosed FDM 3D printer designed for both beginners and professionals, making it an excellent choice for home, educational, and business use. The DIY kit offers a rewarding assembly experience while helping users better understand the printer's mechanics. Featuring a high-speed Core XY motion system, it delivers fast, precise, and reliable printing with exceptional dimensional accuracy. Its fully enclosed design provides stable printing conditions for a wide range of materials, including PLA, PETG, ASA, ABS, and other advanced filaments. The generous 9.8 x 8.6 x 10.6-inch build volume allows for larger models and functional parts, while the included high-flow, HF, nozzle and complementary filament help you get started right away. Renowned for Prusa's outstanding build quality, open-source ecosystem, and dependable performance, the Core 1 Plus is an ideal solution for creating prototypes, engineering parts, educational projects, and high-quality everyday prints.